In this tutorial I will show you how to disable save option in Snapchat. There isn't a specific way to turn off saving chat on Snapchat, but there is workaround how to do it. You can disable the feature by following these steps. First, open up Snapchat app. Go into the chat section. And then tap and hold on the chat that you want to disable the save option. Select Chat and Notification Settings. Select Delete Chats. And select the After Viewing option. With this option enabled, your chat will no longer be saved.